Hi lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making the most nutritious soya milk drink right here in my African village. We shall be making use of only two ingredients, which are soya beans and sugar. In here I have some dry soya beans which has been sorted out already. The next thing I'll be doing is to wash this soya bean thoroughly. Then I'll go ahead and soak it inside water overnight. Please do me a favor by clicking the like button. It's the next day, and as we can see, our soya beans is well soaked. I will now go ahead and wash it for about 2 or 3 times. Then after that, we'll blend this into a smooth paste. Then we can use it to make our soya milk. I'm done washing the beans. I will now transfer it into a blender, add some water to it, and blend it to enable me extract the milk. I'll blend this and I'll be right back. I've blended the soya beans. I'll be using this sieve to extract the milk from it, like what you are seeing on the screen. I've extracted the milk from the soya beans and I've added enough water to it. I'll be straining it the second time into the pot I'll be using to boil the milk. I had to transfer the milk into a bigger pot because I realized the first pot was too small. I'll allow this to come to a boil. This is the chaff from the soya beans. So we are going to use this to feed turkeys here in the village. As we can see, our soya milk is about to boil. I left the pot open so that the milk does not pour when it begins to boil. So right now our milk is boiling, so I'll be stirring it frequently to make sure it does not pour. And I'll also be stirring it frequently to make sure it does not burn. Wow, our milk looks so lovely and nutritious. Our soya milk is now ready. When you see this slimy thing on top of it, then it means the milk is ready. I will put this down and allow it to cool a little. I'm using this cheesecloth to strain our milk for the last time. It's now time for us to sweeten our milk. You can use any sweetener of your choice. I'm using sugar. You can use honey as well. After that, I'll stir and mix everything together, and our milk is finally ready. You can put this in the fridge to cool, then you can go ahead and take it chilled. It's now time for us to serve. Please, if you have enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.